Intermittent fasting. It's one of the hottest trends in health and wellness. But what exactly is it, and could it work for you? Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, but when you eat, it involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, with popular methods like the 16-8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or the 5-2, where you eat normally for 5 days and reduce calories for 2 days. When you fast, your body shifts its energy source from glucose to stored fats, promoting fat burning. This process is called ketosis. Intermittent fasting may also improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and support cellular repair, benefits backed by science. Many people use intermittent fasting to lose weight, improve metabolic health, and boost energy levels. Some studies even suggest it may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. If you have certain medical conditions, are pregnant, or have a history of eating disorders, consult with a healthcare provider before starting. But if you're looking for a structured way to control your eating habits, it might be worth considering. Thinking about trying intermittent fasting? Start slow and listen to your body. Subscribe for more health tips and guides to find the best wellness routine for you.